Today we will discuss 8259 programmable interrupt controller. It is also called as PIC. What is 8259 and why it is needed? So 8259 is PIC, programmable interrupt controller. Now what is interrupt? An interrupt is an event which informs the CPU that its service action is needed. We know in 8086 there are two hardware interrupts. First is NMI and second is INTR. What is NMI? NMI is non-maskable interrupt and INTR is maskable interrupt. Means we cannot mask interrupt which occur on NMI pin. Second, for NMI there is vectored. NMI is vectored interrupt. Means there is a fixed address for NMI pin. In case of INTR, it is non-vectored interrupt. Means when interrupt occur on INTR pin, then interrupting device will send the address, or you can say if we connect 8259 with 8086, then 8259 will send address of the interrupt subroutine to 8086. In case of NMI, when interrupt occur on NMI, it will execute type 2 ISR. It is fixed. Why we use 8259? To increase number of hardware interrupt lines in 8086. In 8086 only 2 lines are there. So if more than 2 interrupts, then what we will do? So we will interface 8259 with 8086. One 8259 can control 8 interrupts. So here you can connect any interrupting device. So IR0 to IR7. So total 8 interrupt you can connect. 8 interrupting devices you can connect from to IR0 to IR7. If there are more than 8 interrupts, then what we will do? Because one 8259 can control 8 interrupts. So if there are more interrupts, more than 8 interrupts, then we will use master slave mode, in which this 8259 is suppose master and remaining 8 devices, 8 8259s are slaves. So suppose this is slave number 0, slave 1, slave 2, slave 3, slave 4, 5, 6, 7. One 8259 can manage 8 interrupts. So 8 8259s can manage 8 into 8, 64 interrupts. So this, suppose interrupt occur on this IR0 pin, this 8259 slave 0 will request master 8259, then master 8259 send request to 8086 that interrupt wants service. So in master slave mode we can manage total 64 interrupts. Next thing, we use 8259 because it resolves the interrupt priorities. So total 8 interrupts are there. Suppose 8259 can manage 8 interrupts. So IR0 has higher priority and IR7 has lower priority. It is by default. But you can alter these priority with the help of priority schemes to mask or unmask the interrupts. So with the help of 8259 we can mask or unmask the interrupts. Individual interrupts we can mask or unmask with the help of 8259. Then to set interrupt type, we can also set the type of the interrupt. If you want edge triggered interrupt, then we can set, or if you want level triggered interrupt, we can make our interrupt to be level triggered. Features of 8259. Single 8259 PIC can manage 8 interrupts, but it can be increased up to 64 in master slave mode. It can resolve priorities of the interrupts. Each interrupt request can be masked easily. Interrupt types can be set as edge triggered or level triggered.